Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Kantar. Today I am going to talk about technical topic is tissues of human. Certainly, here's a more detailed overview of the four main types of human tissue, including their structure, function, and examples. First one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue structure composed of closely packaged cells with a minimal extracellular matrix, has a polarity and apical surface, tree surface, and a basal surface attached to underlying tissue. A vascular lack blood vessels and receive nutrient through diffusion from the underlying connective tissue. Can regenerated quickly due to high mitotic activity. Functions: protections act as a barrier to protect underlying tissue from mechanical injury, pathogens, and chemical exposure. Then, absorption facilitates the uptake of nutrient and substance, example in the intestine. Secretion produces and release substance like hormone, enzyme, and sweet, example epithelium. Filtration allows selective exchange of substance as seen in kidney tubules. Types: first one is a simple epithelium, one layer of a cell, example simple cuboidal columnary. Stratified epithelium, multiple layer of a cell, example stratified transitional. Appears layers but is a single layer with a varying cells height, example respiratory epithelium. Examples: simple epithelium found in alveoli of lungs and blood vessels. Satisfied epithelium found in the skin and lining of the mouth. Cuboidal epithelium found in the kidney tubules and granular ducts. Then next one is the second, connective tissue. Connective tissue structure composed of cells dispersed within the extensive extracellular matrix that consists of fibers, collagen, elastin, and ground substance, a mixture of protein and polysaccharide. Varies widely in the structure from liquid blood to rigid bone. Functions: support, provide structural support to organ and tissue. Binding connects the anchors different tissue and organs. Protection protect organ, example adipose tissue around organs. Then transportation transport nutrient gases and waste product, example blood. Then types: loose connective tissue fills space between organ and provides example aerosols tissue. Dense connective tissue provide strength and resistance to pulling force, example tendons and ligament. Adipose tissue store fat for energy and insulation. Cartilage provides flexible support, example hyaline cartilage in joint. Bone provide rigid support and protection, stores minerals. Blood, a fluid connective tissue that transports nutrients and oxygen. Examples: adipose tissue found the skin and around organs, cartilage found in the joint, ears, and the trachea, bone, the skeletal system. Thank you.